You recording again? Cooking with Lil Lemon.
You don't have to do it. You know.
Episode 3, part 3, nigga.
No, three.
So then you put this John in here for like, I'd say like 2 minutes and 30 seconds. Fucking thing. What are they saying? Start?
What are you? What? This is you smoking on bullshit.
Why is it not working?
You gotta hit it like really hard. Now.
Dude, why is it not working? Dude,
now.
I don't got time for this bullshit, bro. Trying to get to work.
Instant machine.
I don't got time for this bullshit, bro. Make it work.
Instant machine.
It don't work.
Instant machine.
Just fuck these glasses. I'm literally gonna go blind.
Instant machine.
What does it say? It says touch start.
It says. What would you say it says?
I couldn't fucking read it because of these glasses. I didn't know what the fuck it said.
It says Tupperwave.
Tupperwave. I kept trying to fucking ask me, like, what the fuck did I say, bro?
Tupperwave.
I'm wearing these fucking Inspector Gadget fucking glasses.
Magoo goggles.
I'm seeing the fucking fourth dimension with these bitches on.
There he goes. It's like fucking cat comes into view, big old fucking. I'm gonna get.
Don't your girlfriend know you were thinking about me.
Say what?
Say, don't your girlfriend know you were thinking about me.
The fuck's that supposed to mean? What are you, fucking gay?
No, dumbass. Burger King.
Oh yeah.
African American.
She says, "Don't tell your, what's your girlfriend gonna think that you're thinking about me?" I was like, "Oh yeah, bitch."
You'll be like, I don't know, dumbass. How's my dick gonna feel in your throat? Yo, what the fuck, bro? We got girlfriends. We can't be saying shit like that, bro. No, we are in a video. She's never gonna see this, but good.
I have AIDS, and I'm gonna give her AIDS too. Isn't that romantic?
I have AIDS. I think I'm gonna keep that between me and whoever is Lauren Reese or whoever else decides to come in my life.
Preach.
I love Lauren, but you know, comes the realization that she may not always love me. So you always gotta have heroin available.
I've given at least 4 people syphilis.
I've given at least 100 people headaches throughout my life. At least.
Yeah.
Like that's like a bad day.
Well, if you look at all the plays that I have on SoundCloud, that's the amount of people that I've given headaches.
If you look at the amount of females that have liked my Instagram post, that's the amount of people that I've though they're all females I'd like to fuck. Yo, who the fuck said that, bro?
If you look at like the local pedophile area where it shows all of them, if it shows all the pedophiles per county, and you see all those guys,
that's me.
That's all my friends.
That's me. That's just me. Just Jewish over and over again. A public enemy. Your nigga's friending me.
Assassinate him like Kennedy.
Almighty serenity. Drinking on some Hennessy. Oh, you like I want to have sex with it. Yo. You put all the meat. You cut up the meatballs in 4s, and then you put them in the bowl of spaghettios. Okay. After this step, You stir them all up.
He's not gonna pick up any of this, is he?
Oh, absolutely fucking not.
I fucked the baby. I fucked the baby. I fucked the baby.
So this is meatballs and spaghettios, and the last one was spam and raviolis. So yeah.
What was the first one?
The first one was flatbread. There we go.
Would you look at that?
Nigga made dinner. Nigga made hell win. Hell win. I don't want to use that bowl anymore. Bowl. Hell win. Hey, Bo. Do it, Bo. Dude, that's horrible. You're dumb. I don't want that. Don't give that bowl to me. That bowl's gonna have it all on the fucking side of it now. This nigga is living in a sitcom. Ah! Hey, bro. Since I'm off screen, watch this.
POV, you are the opossum that Julius ran over.
You got it. I was gonna blow the smoke and then you were gonna like run off the camera when the smoke covered you.
Oh. Do it again with a thicker cloud.
Yo, where the fuck did he go? Yo. Where'd bro go? Where'd bro go?